Rangers.
Okay. Hi guys. Today we are going to be showing you how to make a sour drink. So you're going to need something like this or this. You just need clean water.
And you also need that because that's making it sour. One of these. And
You would usually find those for
like $10 or something. Like
Yeah.
$10.
and then you would. But if you want to, you could also use these instead of a water bottle. But we're gonna use these Arizona cans. So
We're just gonna use these to pour liquids in. That's just a little water.
okay, first. So let me adjust the camera. First, you're gonna have to take your water and pour it into the container that you're going to put the sour drink in. You're gonna put it about almost
Halfway.
halfway, yeah.
This was passed down by our ancestors. And sorry for the audio, guys, because it's thunderstorming.
And we had nothing else to do, so
We can't go outside into the treehouse videos because we can't use the GoPro. And also, rain, so we don't want to be up there.
And by the way, make sure to like and subscribe. And comment.
Yeah.
Of course, comment. Yeah. Okay.
If you have anything we want you want us to fix, we will just comment it and we'll be doing it.
Okay. Second, you're gonna have to take this and pour it about
Apple one.
only a little bit.
There we go.
That should be enough.
And also, you want to put some
Some sour powder.
because that's what gives it the clingy aftertaste. Right, James?
Yeah. And then you'd usually put more powder in there, but we've already
Ate some of it.
ate some of it, so we don't want to become too saturated. And we're about to eat dinner, so yeah.
So that's why we're all using extra this.
So then you're just gonna stir it up. And there you go. A sour drink. And to make sure, you could also use one of these in lime flavor and sour packets. There's packets that are like sour and stuff. Yeah, you can also use those.
Yeah, we were supposed to use those, but what? Out.
Yeah. Okay. Bye guys. See you later.